Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, June 9th, and this is my analysis for the Euro US dollar. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord group. It's a link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So, anyways, the euro dollar, I mean, it has been drifting up so far this week since the market opened. And on Friday, price did try to make an engulfing move to the downside, as you can see. Not really as nice as I would like to see, not really as big of an engulfing move as I'd like to see. But because it did close down, I would keep an eye out on the 1 hour time frame for a possible lower high, a possible Fibonacci bounce for a possible short. So we got our Fibonacci retracement on this last move down. If price goes to one of these Fibonacci retracement levels, makes like a nice big engulfing move to the downside, a nice break to the downside, we definitely should take it as a short. And then when we go short, we can hopefully learn and earn whether it turns into a big old push to the downside, like a reversal on the daily time frame, or whether it's just all part of a crescent to the higher time frame uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.